Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the part 3 of top 30 key terms used in clinical research and the pharmaceutical industry. Let's begin. The first is preclinical studies. Laboratory and animal testing conducted before human clinical trials to assess safety and biological activity. They are carried out using laboratory experiments in vitro and animal models in vivo to gather preliminary data on the safety, effectiveness and biological activity of a new drug or medical product. मान लीजिए साइंटिस्ट ने कैंसर की दवा बनाई है। पहले वे इसे लैब में कैंसर सेल्स पर आजमाते हैं कि क्या यह उन्हें मारती है। फिर दवा को जानवरों पर यानी चूहे पर दी जाती है, यह देखने के लिए कि यह सुरक्षित है या नहीं। अगर दवा कैंसर को कम करती है और कोई बड़ा साइड इफेक्ट नहीं दिखता तो उसे सफल माना जाता है। सभी नतीजों की एक रिपोर्ट बनाई जाती है जिसे सरकारी एजेंसी जैसे कि डीसीजीआई को भेजा जाता है। अनुमति मिलने पर वही दवा अब इंसानों पर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के लिए तैयार हो जाती है। सो दीज आर सम एस्पेक्ट्स एंड देयर डिस्क्रिप्शन। स्टेज बिफोर ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स, सब्जेक्ट्स, सेल्स, issues and animals. Purpose is evaluate safety and biological activity. Key studies are pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, and toxicology. And outcome is data for IND submission. And the next step is clinical trials, that is phase 1. So this is an image which shows drug discovery, preclinical studies, clinical trials, and review and approval in clinical trials. In clinical trial process. So in preclinical studies, here it is. Drug candidates that make it out of drug discovery are tested for efficacy at different doses in cell and animal models. Potential risk and toxicities are evaluated. So this is very important. This image shows the overview of preclinical studies. Unmet clinical need, clinician or scientist collaboration, concept testing in vitro or small animal model, translational research in large animal model, clinical trials, clinical practice. These are some in vitro models and in vivo models which are used in preclinical studies. The next is pharmacovigilance. The science of detecting, assessing, and preventing adverse effects or other drug related problems after the drug is marketed.